How to buy or order on Amazon. Hello, everybody. If you guys prefer to buy or order on Amazon, you can follow up these steps. So, first of all, head over to Amazon.com and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this particular interface. Now, what you can do is you can basically search for the specific product that you would like to purchase, buy, or order using a search, or you can basically go ahead and add items to your cart using the home page. So let me just go ahead and add up a product. For example, I would like to purchase some headphones. So you can basically search for the specific product that you would like to purchase and then find the product that you like. And once you find the product, you can select up everything like the compatibility, the quantity and everything, and basically add it to your cart. So you can select it, and once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on add to cart option on your screen and proceed to checkout. And at checkout, you will choose a shipping address, payment method, and then place your order. And then you should be able to buy or order on Amazon that way. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to buy or order on Amazon, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.